How to fix the issue of slow loading of File Explorer on Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly head towards Start menu and search File Explorer options. After that, in the results at the top you will see option. Simply click enter or click on the open option beside it. After that, in File Explorer option at the bottom tab, you will see Privacy. Simply choose the option of Clear and clear the history of File Explorer. Then after, click on OK. Next step is to right-click on the Windows icon, choose the option of Task Manager from the menu. And now, once you see this window, click on the search icon at the top and simply type Windows Explorer. And shortly in the menu you will see the option. Once you do, right click on the option and end the task. And that's it. Just like that you will be able to fix your issue. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.